In this video, you'll learn how to create and associate add-ons. Make sure your left panel is open. To create an add-on product, click on the Add-on tab on the top of your left panel. Then click the plus icon next to it. Choose the type of the add-on. I will stick with area underlayment. Give it a name. Enter the pricing. Choose the unit, whether you want it taxable, and give it a display color. You can choose to sell by box. If you toggle that, you will see sell by and can choose either roll or box. You can enter a quantity per box and the pricing. I choose not to sell by box. I click done. Now, we will associate the add-on with another product. At the top of the panel, click on the All tab. Choose your product, say it's a carpet product, and click the eye icon next to it. Scroll down and click Add-on and then Plus. Now select the add-on you wish to associate with this product. The method by which the add-on will be calculated is either original quantity or product usage. If you pick product usage, the quantity of the carpet pad will equal the quantity of the carpet, meaning it will include the waste. If you choose original quantity, the quantity of pad will be less than the quantity of carpet because it will only include the covered area. Let's go back. Now you will see an asterisk next to your carpet product telling you how many add-ons are associated with it. If you drag the product over, you will now see the carpet pad flap at the bottom corner of your room.